Hi students, today we will learn an important theorem of algebra. It is called remainder theorem. Students, you know what is polynomial? Suppose fx equal to a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an, where n is non-negative integer and a0, a1 all are constants. X is a real variable and also a0 not equal to 0. Students, an algebraic expression a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an is called a polynomial of degree n. What is the highest degree? It is n, where n is non-negative integer and a0, a1, an are constants, where a0 not equal to 0. If a0 is 0, then the degree of x will be less than n. That is why we consider a0 not equal to 0. So the algebraic expression fx is called a polynomial in x of degree n. Students, you have learned what is polynomial in my earlier videos. You know, suppose it is x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. It is a polynomial in x of degree 3. Students, suppose fx equal to 5. It is a polynomial of degree 0 because 5 can be written as 5 into x to the power 0. So it is a polynomial of degree 0. Students, let us learn the statement of remainder theorem. If fx be a polynomial and a be a real number, then if we divide fx by x minus a, then the remainder will be fa. Suppose fx be a polynomial and x be any real number. If we divide fx by x minus a, then fa will be the remainder. Let us prove the theorem. Students, by division algorithm, we know dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. You know the rule. Students, here dividend is fx. Let the quotient equal to qx. Let the remainder is rx and divisor equal to x minus a. Given we are dividing fx by x minus a, therefore we can write fx equal to x minus a into qx plus rx. Students, here see the divisor is x minus a, that is of degree 1. So what is the degree of r? Obviously the degree of r is 0, that is a constant. Let x equal to a. So what we get? fa equal to a minus a into plus RA, that is 0 into QA plus RA. Therefore RA equal to FA. What is RA? That is the remainder is FA. So what we get, if we divide fx by x minus a, the remainder will be FA. Students, from this theorem we can conclude that if FA equal to 0, then we say x equal to a is a 0 of fx. Secondly, if fa equal to 0, so we can write fx equal to x minus a into qx plus 0, because r is 0, that is fx is divisible by x minus a. If we divide fx by x plus a, then the remainder would be equal to f of minus a. Students, if we divide the polynomial by x plus a, then the remainder will be f of minus a. Suppose fx is divided by ax plus b, then the remainder is f of minus b by a. Students, we simply put ax plus b equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus b by a. Here we get x equal to minus b by a. So what would be the remainder? That is f of minus b by a. Students, let us consider the problem. Find the remainder when fx equal to x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Students, we know when fx is divided by x minus 1, what would be the remainder? That is f1. That is the remainder is f1 when fx is divided by x minus 1. Here f1 equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Therefore remainder equal to 3. Let us consider the polynomial x square plus 2x plus 7 and the divisor is x plus 1. That is fx is divided by x plus 1. Therefore the remainder is equal to f of minus 1. Students, the divisor is x plus 1. So let us put x plus 1 equal to 0. That is, we have to put x equal to minus 1. So in place of x, we have to put minus 1. Here equal to minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 7. That is 1 minus 2 plus 7. That is 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So remainder equal to 6. Students, let us consider the problem. Find the remainder when fx equal to x square plus x plus 1 is divided by 2x minus 3. Let us put 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, the remainder is f of 3 by 2. Students, we know here x equal to a, so fa is the remainder. Now, what is the value of fa? That is f of 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 9 by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. This equals to, here see, what is the LCM? That is 4. So it is 9 plus 6 plus 4, that is 19 by 4. Therefore, remainder equal to 19 by 4. Students, let us consider the problem. Find the remainder when fx equal to x square plus x plus 1 is divided by 3x plus 2. Students, let 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, remainder equal to f of minus 2 by 3. Students, whenever the algebraic expression, that is polynomial x square plus x plus 1 is divided by 3x plus 2, the remainder is f of minus 2 by 3. Therefore, f of minus 2 by 3 equal to minus 2 by 3 whole square plus minus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 plus 1, that is 9, 4 minus 6 plus 9, that is 7 by 9. Therefore, remainder equal to 7 by 9 when the polynomial x square plus x plus 1 is divided by 3x plus 2. Students, this remainder theorem is very important for algebra. I advise you to follow the video from beginning to end to know the rule and how to apply the rule. Students, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video to your friends. Thank you for watching my video.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also like the video and share the video in your groups.